Welcome to our tutorial on how to edit your phone number on Twitter. If you've recently changed your phone number or simply want to update the one associated with your Twitter account, we've got you covered. Just follow these simple steps to get it done. First, open the Twitter app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu of options. Next, tap on Settings and Support from the menu. Then, tap on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. From there, tap on Your Account, followed by Account Information. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account details. Now, tap on Phone to access the phone number associated with your account. You may be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. Once you've entered your password, you'll be able to change your phone number. Simply enter your new phone number and tap Next to save the changes. And that's it. Your phone number on Twitter has been successfully updated. Remember, it's important to keep your account information up to date for security and account recovery purposes. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on how to make the most of your Twitter experience. Happy tweeting!